Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will learn the process of creating multiple ledgers using GSTIN or UIN in TallyPrime. You must be doing business with a lot of parties. Creating ledgers for all the parties consumes a lot of time. With the connected GST experience introduced in TallyPrime Release 5.0, you can create multiple ledgers in one go. All you need to have is GSTIN or UINs of all the parties. Let's see how to do. Press Alt-G. Type or select Chart of Accounts. And press Alt-H for Multi-Masters. Select Create Party using GSTIN or UIN. Alternatively, press Alt-G. Type Bulk or Multi and open the bulk ledger creation using GSTIN or UIN report. You can either enter all the GSTIN or UINs manually or import the Excel file containing GSTIN or UINs. Let's import the GSTIN or UINs from an Excel file. Press Alt-F to import GSTIN or UIN from Excel file. Copy and paste the file path based on the location of the file in your computer. Select the file to import. If the file has multiple worksheets, then select the relevant worksheet name containing GSTIN or UINs. You can import an Excel file containing only GSTIN or UINs. However, the worksheet might have more columns. Select the column containing GSTIN or UINs. Once you get all the GSTIN or UINs, press Ctrl-A. The ledger details get displayed. It has all the information such as name, address, GSTIN or UIN status, registration type, PAN, and others. Now, let's see how to view more information. Set Compare GSTIN or UIN info as Yes. In the Compare Party Details screen, you can change the address if needed or add more information. To view parties' filing history, press Alt-S. You get to know the e-invoice applicability, date of registration, and date of cancellation, if applicable. Most importantly, you get to know the date, mode, and status of filing GSTR1 and GSTR3B of the last 6 months. The report also enables you to change the status of GST registration. So, if the party's GST registration is cancelled, then you can set the GST registration type as unregistered consumer. By default, the group for all the ledgers is selected as sundry debtor. However, you can change the group for all ledgers. If you want to change the group of certain ledgers, then you can change individually. What's more, you can also add contact details of a party. Press Ctrl-I and select Contact Details. Add the necessary details and press Ctrl-A to save. To save the information in the respective ledgers, press Ctrl-A. Consider that one or more of the GSTIN fetched are a duplicate of existing ledgers in the company. In such scenario, TallyPrime throws the error, name already exists, against such GSTIN while saving. You can, however, continue to create Just edit the name of the ledger by giving a different spelling or by adding prefix or suffix, and so on. If it is indeed a duplicate ledger, which is not required, then you can remove such fetched details. Press Ctrl D with the cursor on the respective line to delete the fetched details. Subsequently, press Ctrl plus A to save the report. If there are some more duplicates, cursor moves to such names, remove such duplicate entries, and save the report to create ledgers that are unique. As you saw, the facility to create multiple ledgers using GSTIN or UINs of the party makes ledger creation easier than ever and saves a great deal of time. Thank you. On any screen in Tally Prime, press Ctrl plus F1 to learn how to complete these videos.